In this video, I'm gonna explain how a user can automate their scenarios using SetStart. Let's get into the SetStart quickly and see what all features it has. Firstly, let's launch the SetStart application in the browser. In the launching page, we have the provision to log in or sign up. If you're the first-time user, you have to sign up, and if you're the consecutive user, you can log into the application with the credentials. Once we log into the application, the first page we could see is the project dashboard. It provides the details of the projects that are allocated for the logged in user. SetStart provides the organization name in the top left corner of the screen, and the provision to search the project, and the provision to check the account details, and the provision to create a new project via these two options, and the details of the existing project. User can get into the existing project and check the details here. Let's quickly jump into the project called Source Demo. Once a user get into the project, the first page that they could see is the dashboard. Dashboard has got three accordions: automation status, run status, and the detailed run status. Automation status provides the details of the tests, steps, objects that are automated and its counts. Run status provides the count of tests or suits that are executed and the count of passed or failed. Green color denotes pass and the orange color denotes the failure counts. And detailed run status provides the details of the executed tests, suit, and the steps and the count of pass, fail, and not done. Now for suit and steps. In this page, we can create the required tests and that can be executed. It provides a provision to create the required tests that can be automated in the environment we created in the desired browser. And next to test, we have got suits. In the suits page, user can create the suit like smoke or regression or a functional. In the in the smoke suite, we can provide the tag name which can be mapped with the required tests so that the created test will automatically be listed in the available suite. So the user can run it one time in the suite page, or they can also be running it individually in the test page. SetStart provides a provision to run it individually or run it collaboratively in the suite. Next to suite, we have the assets page. In the assets page, SetStart provides a provision to create and store the web element locator and the steps required for the tests. The locators can be reused in multiple interactions, and also the interaction can be reused in the multiple steps. The steps can in turn mapped with the tests that are created in the tests page. Next to assets, we have the runs page. In the runs page, SetStart will provide the details of the executed tests or the suits with the status as either failed or passed and its corresponding IDs. Next to runs, we have got the files page. In the files page, user can upload the required files that can be used in the tests or even in the assets page. Next to files, we have got the data profiles, which is the starting phase of the project creation. So here, user will be creating the profile, which is probably the instance they are working on, like staging environment or QA environment or the production environment, and they will be storing the common attributes that are used in all the tests and which will not be altered every time. Example, URL and username or password, which will be used multiple times in all of the steps or tests will be created and stored in the profile page. Next to data profiles, we have got the project setting with the four options: general, configurations, API key, and access. Hope this video gives an overview of what are all the features available within SetStart. In the next video, I'll provide the details of how to create a new project in SetStart. Thank you.